Right, so if you saw the repair video of this radio set, which was kindly donated by Alan, all sorted out, no audio on transmit, and it's been trunching away on 19 ever since. So there we have. See Mr. Chippie's out there. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, you're out there.
Yeah, Roger, I'm not recording yet.
Roger, okay. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy?
Tango 21, receiving you loud and clear. Have you got a tone control test on this one?
No, but I'll tell you what I will do. I'll put it on the extension speaker. So one moment. So there's only one socket on the back because it doesn't have PA. Okay, you can talk again and we'll hear it now through the extension speaker.
Yep, Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, now in the labour outside Woodies.
Roger on that, and off we go.
Roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, now passing Lancaster service station.
Which of course is closed. We're a bit late, is it? 8 o'clock or just about? Not quite yet.
About 10 past nearly.
Roger, okay.
Right, we're now passing through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Lancaster Crossroads. Makes a change. You've been square wheeled there most times this week.
Yeah, we're just turning as we pulled up to them, so there you go.
Roger.
Passing the top of the hill, let's go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Okay.
Those roadworks still there?
Yeah, they are, yeah. Mr. Chippie, we're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
I've got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. And 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
I've got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on a Maxcom 6E radio from 1982, and you're absolutely coming through a fine and it's doing all for one.
Yep, roger that. All received. Wilsford level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the Greyleys turn. Over.
We got you at the Greyleys turn, so it's time for a low power test.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So I'm on this Maxcom 6E. It's drawing just over 1 amp to do a full 4 watt output. Now we're going to go to low power, which is set to 400 milliwatts. So here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 70 milliamps. 2, 3, 4. And now we're back to the 4 watt output, over.
Yep, Roger, all received, bit intermittent on the low power, but again it's be down to some interference locally, I think.
Oh, absolutely, and it's full 400 milliwatts, so that it's sensible on this radio.
Yep, Roger that.
Okay, off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you over. Petrol price will be today.
Yep, same as the other day again, 149.7 and 159.9. Over.
Excellent, well, that worked very well. So once again, thanks to Alan and thank you for the
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
10-10. Tango 21 to Chippie, we're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me today?
Yep, same as the other day again, 149.7 and 159.9. Over.
Excellent, well that's worked very well. So once again thanks to Alan and thank you for the test Mr. C.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
10-10. Okay, that worked absolutely great. So I'll be interested to see how that sounds on the when I edit the footage. We'll go over to our base station and we'll test it with my standard replacement mic.
Tango 21 testing the Maxcom 6E with my standard replacement coffin mic. Testing 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Just pop it to low power. 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1 and then back to full power. So once again, hope you enjoyed that and thanks for watching.